How to create a real account on MetaTrader 4. What is up everybody? This video is going to be about how you can easily create a real account on MetaTrader 4. First thing first, go ahead and download the application from Google Play Store or App Store and then open up the app. Once you open up the app, you're going to have to accept to its terms and conditions. So go ahead and click on accept and it will ask you to open a demo account first. So you can try to do that by tapping on open an account. And once you do that, your demo account will be opened just like that. Now, if you want to open up a real account, it's quite different. So on your demo account, you can practice trading. But if you just want to go ahead and directly start trading on a real account, tap on the message icon or the message bar that you see at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once you do that, you're going to have an option called register or sign in. Tap on either one of those depending on the account, if you have your account or not. If you tap on register, you're going to have to completely enter your new details like your email, password. So from here, enter a username that you want for your account. Then go ahead and enter your email. And once you choose your email address, tap on OK. Then from here, click on Get Account. Or you could just go ahead and sign in with Google. I'm just going to tap on Get Account. And as you can see here, it says login already exists. So I'm just going to tap on Login and then log into my account. As you guys can see here, I've successfully logged into my account. So if I head over to the Messages tab, I'm able to see all of the popular channels. And if I tap on here, I'm able to see my account as well. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.